Get key features and / or reviews before select ECOFLOW 2 PCS 100 watt 12 volt solar panels. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose ECOFLOW 2 PCS 100 watt 12 volt solar panels. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. General specifications: size 38.6 x 23 x 1.2 inch, single solar panel, weight 13.6 pound, produce an average of 400 to 500 watt-hours or 35 to 45 amp-hours of electricity per day, depending on sun availability. Highly efficient, get a 23% conversion efficiency thanks to its high-efficiency solar module. That means better electricity generated even in suboptimal conditions. All-weather ready, with IP68 waterproofing, your solar panels are dust-proof, debris-proof, and even ready for heavy rain and wind. Easy setup, designed to fit in any solar panel kit with ease. With pre-drilled holes, mounting and securing is easier than ever. Any mounting accessories sold separately on brand store. Perfectly fits for ECOFLOW power kits and ecosystem. ECOFLOW has a complete set of photovoltaic system technology. You will have the most efficient, intelligent, and safe electricity experience. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.